morning, Johnny.
Good morning, Mama.
Emma and Ginny, it's time to wake up, kids.
Won't you pick me up, Mama?
Breakfast is getting ready.
Yay! I love yummy pancakes.
No, Emma, we won't eat until you go and brush your teeth. As soon as you get out of bed, bring your brush, put the toothpaste on.
Left and right, up and down, scrub them neat and clean. Yum, 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 yum. Yum, yum, yum.
Nuh-uh-uh. Oh, Ginny, don't forget, let's get the candy out of your mouth. Your teeth like to be clean and strong. Bring your brush, put the toothpaste on.
Left and right, up and down, scrub them neat and clean. Mommy, will you tell us a bedtime story?
Johnny, Emma, did you brush your teeth?
No, Mom. We brushed in the morning. Why do we have to brush again?
Your teeth will be healthy and clean. Your mouth won't be stinky and green. Right before you go to bed, bring your brush, put the toothpaste on.
Left and right, up and down, scrub them neat and clean. Don't forget, morning and night, brush them twice a day.
Huh? Aha! Who wants hot chocolate?
Hot chocolate? Yay! Hot chocolate!
But first, who did this?
He did it. No, she did it.
Show me your hands. Okay, let's go take a bath.
Oh no! I hate the bath.
Come on, it will be fun.
No, please.
If you're dirty and you know it, take a bath. Splash, splash. If you're dirty and you know it, take a bath. Splash, splash. If you're dirty and you know it, and you really want to clean it. If you're dirty and you know it, take a bath. If you're dirty and you know it, clean your face, clean your face. If you're dirty and you know it, clean your face. Close your eyes. If you're dirty and you know it, and you really want to clean it. If you're dirty and you know it, clean your face. If you're dirty and you know it, clean your hands and nails. If you're dirty and you know it, clean your hands and nails. If you're dirty and you know it, clean your feet and toes. If you're dirty and you know it, clean your feet and toes. If you're dirty and you know it, and you really want to clean it. If you're dirty and you know it, take a bath. Hot chocolate is ready, kids.
Brother John, morning bells are ringing, ding ding dong, ding ding dong. Are you sleeping?
brush your teeth?
Yay! Mommy, where are you?
I'm in the kitchen, darling.
Look what I painted! Look!
You're so good. You really painted well.
Sandwiches, can I take one?
No. You need to wash your hands first.
Okay. Look, my hands are clean now.
No, they're not.
Okay, now they are clean. See, my hands are clean now.
Every time before you eat, you should wash your hands. Dirty hands have lots of germs, so you should wash your hands. Squeeze a little soap and water on your hands. Rub, and bubbles, take all the germs away.
Look, Mommy, my hands are clean now.
Very nice, Emma.
Give me a bite, Emma.
Wait, a bite for me too.
No.
Every time before you eat, you should wash your hands. Dirty hands have lots of germs, so you should wash your hands. Squeeze a little soap and water on your hands. Rub, and bubbles, take all the germs away.
Your hands are clean, but I ate all of them.
Here are more sandwiches, kids.
Yay!
Sandwiches, my favorite.
No!
Oh, sorry kids. I forgot to wash my hands. I'll go and wash my hands first.
Let's eat them before he comes back. Peekaboo, peekaboo. Peekaboo, peekaboo. Where are you? Peekaboo, peekaboo. Huh? I see you.
Oh, you caught me.
Peekaboo, peekaboo. Where are you? Peekaboo, peekaboo. Huh? I see you. Peekaboo, peekaboo, peekaboo. I know you. Peekaboo, peekaboo. Where are you? Peekaboo, peekaboo. Huh? I see you.
Oh, my baby, I love you. Mwah.
Peekaboo, peekaboo. Where are you? Peekaboo, peekaboo. Huh? I see you.
Oh, you caught me. It's always fun playing peekaboo.
Run! I am a monster.
Oh dear.
Don't scare us. Arr! Arr! Ooh, soup.
Emma, you're the sweetest girl, my baby. won't you cut your hair?
No, no, I love my hair, it is so long, just like yours.
Baby, you need a cut, it will keep you very clean.
Emma, you'll look prettier too.
It won't fall into the soup.
If you cut your hair now, it'll grow back really strong.
Okay, I want strong hair. Daddy, will you come along and pick a hairstyle for me?
Yes.
Clip, snap, clip, snap, clip, snap. Hooray, it's haircut time!
Emma, how high or low do you want your chair to be?
I want it to be this tall.
Here you go.
Yay! Thank you! How about this hairstyle?
Yes, this will be great. I have scissors and spray. Let's get started now.
Clip, snap, clip, snap, clip, snap. Hooray, it's haircut time!
We clip away the extra hair. We'll give you a very cute hairdo.
The scissors go clip, clip, clip. The scissors go snap, snap, snap.
Emma, what do you think? Do you like your new hairdo?
I love it! Thank you for my new hairstyle. Oh, the poor kitty is stuck in the tree. We need to get her down. London Bridge is falling down, falling down, falling down. Stay right there. Is falling down. Oh dear kitty. Build it up with haystacks, haystacks, haystacks. Build it up with haystacks. Let us save poor kitty.
paper planes.
Your boat is ready, Emma.
We're going to have fun today. We're going to have fun today. We're making toys for us to play with papers and glue and sticks and clay. Clean it up, let's clean the mess. It looks so bad. Clean up your room so it looks wow. Pick them up one by one. We had so much fun. We played for long. Now we put them back one by one.
Hooray! We did it!
We're going to have fun today. We're going to have fun today. We're baking cookies today. We're baking cookies today. Clean it up, let's clean the mess. It looks so bad. Clean up the kitchen so it looks wow. Put back the jars one by one. Wash the dishes till they are done. Put the garbage in the bin. Wipe all the dirt away.
Hooray! We did it!
Kids, come here. We are going to have fun today. We're going to have fun today. We are on a picnic today. Oh, what a beautiful day.
Clean it up, let's clean up the mess. It looks so bad. Clean up the place so it looks wow. Pick up the trash one by one. We should not spoil others' fun. We leave the place neat and clean. It's a job well done.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O. With a moo-moo here and a moo-moo there. Here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo-moo. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
Go inside.
Come here!
Wow, so fresh.
Bye-bye!
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a pig, E-I-E-I-O. With an oink oink here and an oink oink there. Here an oink, there an oink, everywhere an oink oink. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a duck, E-I-E-I-O. With a quack quack here and a quack quack there. Here a quack, there a quack, everywhere a quack quack. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
Quack, quack!
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a horse, E-I-E-I-O.
Hello,
With a
horsey!
neigh neigh here and a neigh neigh there. Here a neigh bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the farm.
Hey, come on in.
The doors on the bus open and shut, open and shut, open and shut. The doors on the bus open and shut, all through the farm. The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 beep. Beep, beep, beep. The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 all through the farm.
Hey! Come on!
The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 swish. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 all through the farm.
Hey, come on in.
The baby on the bus cries wow, 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 wow. The baby on the bus cries wow, 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 all through the farm. The mommies on the bus say shh, 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 shh. The mommies on the bus say shh, 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 all through the farm.
Mommy, where are you? Where are you? I've got a boo-boo. Boo-boo. I fell from the swing. It hurts.
Oh, sweetie, don't worry. Mommy will help make it go away. First we'll wash do-do-do-do-do-do. Then put a bandage do-do-do-do-do. Then a kiss do-do-do-do. Bye-bye, boo-boo.
Daddy? Daddy, where are you? Where are you? I've got boo-boo. Boo-boo. I tripped on a stone. It hurts.
Oh, honey, don't worry. Daddy will help make it go away. First we'll wash do-do-do-do-do-do. Then put a bandage do-do-do-do-do. Then a kiss do-do-do-do. Bye-bye, boo-boo.
Mommy! Mommy! Where are you? Where are you? I've got a boo-boo! Boo-boo!
go away. First we'll wash do 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 do. Then put a bandage do 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 do. Then a kiss do 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 do. Bye bye boo boo. There you go, sweetie. All better.
Oh, good sheep.
Oh no! Baba, black sheep, have you any wool? Yes sir, 3 bags full. 1 for the master and 1 for the dame. 1 for the little boy who lives down the lane. Baba, black sheep, have you any wool? Yes sir, 3 bags full. 1 for the master and 1 for the dame. 1 for the little boy who lives down the lane. Baba, black sheep, have you any wool? Yes sir, 3 bags full. 1 for the master and 1 for the dame. 1 for the little boy who lives down the lane. Baba, black sheep, have you any wool? Yes sir, 3 bags full. 1 for the master and 1 for the dame. 1 for the little boy who lives down the lane.
Subscribe to Baby